What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix lag and stuttering in PUBG PC. So you might be wondering how to exactly solve this issue here with PUBG. Well, we all know that lagging and stuttering here on PUBG PC can actually make or break your game or your match, which in this case we don't want to lose that match as long as we have control over it. So yeah, how do we fix this? So first things first is I'm assuming here that you've already tinkered with your graphic settings on your PUBG PC account. So if not yet, you want to go ahead and open up PUBG here and basically go to your display settings and you want to change a few things. Now from here, I would really suggest you to cap your FPS, especially if your game is lagging. Sometimes it may go beyond like 60, and if it jumps from a frame to different like frame rates here, like for example you're from 60 then jumps to 80 then 100. Well, in this case PUBG or your PC may have a hard time here adjusting to the change. That's why you're having that stuttering or lagging effect here, which in this case you may want to set this to 60 FPS if you can in the in-game FPS cap and lobby FPS cap. And yeah, so go ahead and try that and see if that solves your issue. So another thing that you may want to do here is you want to make sure that your GPU is fully updated. So you want to go ahead and open up whatever the software you're using. So in my case, I'm using NVIDIA here. So open up the NVIDIA app, and in the actual app, you want to go to the drivers option at the left side here, and you want to go and click on the download button here, and basically just update your GPU. Sometimes there are some fixes that is released to your GPU here, and that could actually help a lot on preventing and basically removing the lag and the stuttering that you may have been experiencing. Now, another thing that you may want to try doing here is you want to basically edit your power plan. Now, in this case, you want to go to your search at the very bottom here. Just type in power plan. Click on edit power plan here. You want to go and click on the change advanced power settings. Now, in here at the left side, you want to go and look for the option here. It says processor, in this case, the option here for processor power management. And you want to go and click on maximum power state, processor state here. Which in this case, you may want to change this. Like, for example, if you have this on 100%, maybe choose like 95%. And also for the plug-in, if you're using like a laptop here, you may want to reduce it to 95%. Now, the reason behind this is sometimes if you set this to 100%, it may be performing too much and it's overheating. So in this case, if it's overheating, the PC will auto-regulate itself and also basically reducing the performance of your PC. Now, in this case, not reaching that overheating state, well, in this case, that could actually help you a lot later on. And yeah. Also, the last thing that you can try doing here is you want to make sure that you close any unnecessary apps that you're not using. So go ahead and click on or press on Control-Shift-Escape on your keyboard. And from here on, just close any of the apps that you're not using. Because sometimes they're taking off resources and memory here. That's why you're lagging and stuttering. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.